I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee on an espresso machine. First, let's cover the basics. You'll want to familiarize yourself with your machine's parts like the water tank and capsule slot. Choosing the perfect capsule is key to a great cup, so pick one that suits your mood. Always check that the water reservoir has enough fresh water and position your cup properly to catch every drop. It's simpler than you think. Now let's get your Nespresso machine ready for brewing. Begin by filling the water tank with fresh, clean water. This truly impacts flavor. Next, power on your machine and give it a moment to preheat, usually indicated by a steady light. Once it's warm, insert your favorite Nespresso capsule into the designated slot, making sure it's seated correctly. Finally, place your coffee cup on the drip tray, ready for action. It's time to brew your delicious coffee. Simply press the button corresponding to your preferred coffee size, whether it's an espresso or a lungo. The machine will then begin extracting, and you'll see your coffee flowing beautifully into your cup. Once brewing is complete, the used capsule will typically drop into an internal container, which you can empty later. Now, take a moment to savor your perfectly brewed Nespresso coffee. To keep your Nespresso machine performing its best, regular maintenance is essential. Remember to empty the used capsule container often to prevent blockages. Cleaning the drip tray and water tank with warm, soapy water will also help maintain hygiene and taste. For long-term care, descale your machine every few months, following the manufacturer's instructions. Proper storage of your capsules in a cool, dry place ensures every cup tastes as fresh as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.